On this episode of Car News Rundown, Ford's got a new plug-in truck, Toyota's got big problems with their trucks, and Nissan says, get out of the left lane. Topping this week's rundown, the Ford Ranger is getting a plug-in hybrid. Well, at least in the rest of the world. Let's be clear, Ford is not saying this will ever come to the United States, but it should. The plug-in hybrid combines Ford's 2.3-liter EcoBoost turbo 4-cylinder to a 10-speed automatic. Inside the transmission's bell housing is a 75 kilowatt-hour electric motor. That motor is fed by an 11.8 kilowatt-hour battery, and the whole system nets 275 horsepower and a whopping 509 pound-feet of torque. That's more torque than even our Ranger Raptor gets. The plug-in hybrid also gets the ability to run almost 28 miles on electricity alone in the European test cycle. The truck goes on sale in Europe this spring, and if the Maverick Hybrid is any indication, Ford could have a hit in the US if they took the risk and brought it here. Come on, Ford. Do all the tech features in new cars actually make driving worse? J.D. Power recently released its Tech Experience Index study, and the answer is maybe. According to the study, 21% of owners say interior gesture controls lack usefulness. And those display screens specifically for front passengers? Owners say they don't need them, especially as only 10% of vehicles carry a front passenger daily. So who's doing it right? According to J.D. Power, Genesis comes out on top in the premium brand category, while sister brand Hyundai tops the list of mainstream car makers. Not even Toyota is immune from first model year gremlins. The Tacoma, a name synonymous with bulletproof reliability, with its all-new chassis and turbocharged engine, is facing dozens of owner complaints aimed at its 8-speed automatic transmission. Some say it wouldn't shift or lost power and went into limp mode. Posts on Tacoma4G.com show that Toyota is now issuing a service bulletin to dealers instructing them to replace the transmission assembly and torque converter when encountering some of these complaints. It's not the first time this platform has seen issues, as Toyota is replacing entire engines on some of its full-size trucks. Maybe wait a year or two before picking up a new Taco? We'll have a link to the service bulletin in the description below. Nissan is doing the Lord's work to get left-lane campers out of the way. A recent update to their ProPilot 2.1 driver assistance features will gently remind drivers who have made a pass that it's time to move over to the right. It won't actively move vehicles over, but something is better than nothing. This is Car News Rundown, your new source for automotive news, debuts, and analysis. Like and subscribe to get our latest updates. Thanks for watching.